There are usually two types of multimeters, pointer and digital multimeters. Which one should we choose? In fact, the difference between them is that the pointer type multimeter is suitable for a small range of numerical differences, which can be judged intuitively, and is more suitable for friends who are engaged in electronic industry practitioners. However, for the electronics industry, using a digital multimeter is more convenient. A good quality digital multimeter has higher accuracy than a pointer and is easier to read. When we want to buy a universal meter, we will find that the price ranges from tens to thousands, and we don't know how to choose. A too cheap multimeter may encounter problems such as burning the meter, poor accuracy, inaccurate testing, serious loss of detection function, and so on, while the expensive ones costing tens of millions are usually used in industrial applications, research, and other situations. Unless you are a professional chip testing practitioner, it is not necessary to spend this amount of money. Choosing a moderately priced, high-quality product is a more sensible choice for us. What can a multimeter detect? In fact, it has many functions, such as detecting resistance, capacitance, diode, transistor, MOS field effect transistor, integrated circuit. A small instrument can detect the goodness or badness of components. It is portable, and the accuracy of modern multimeters is getting higher and higher with the development of technology. A good multimeter can also be reflected in its weight. Nowadays, the quality of multimeters on the market varies. Some are light and fluttering in the hand with no texture at all, indicating that the materials used are poor and the quality of use is naturally not good either, let alone the accuracy.